Hello beautiful parents, welcome to Mom on Board. In today's video, I am going to share the 5 most essential drinks that must be included in your baby's daily diet, especially in summer, that benefits you and your baby. So these are actually a magical drink. In summer especially, we dehydrate ourselves little bit because of the heat, because of the temperature rise. Our hydration level is little bit disturbed because of all these parameters. So these drinks increase our hydration level. These drinks helps in maintaining the electrolyte in our and our baby's body. So that must be included in your daily diet, especially in the summers. Before starting today's video, I'll just take 2 minutes of you. You are seeing the red color of button, that is a subscription button. If you are new to the Mom on Board and still you are not a family member, then please subscribe Mom on Board and be a family member of Mom on Board. Along with that, hit the bell icon that will give notification first of all to you what is exactly happening, what are the different videos are coming in Mom on Board. If you are seeing the video till the end and if you really like the video, please hit the like button for me, comment on the video. If you are having anything extra, anything different kind of information, that is the juices or the liquid which you are giving to your baby and that is really giving a benefit to your baby, then please share with us, share with me, that will help me also. And please share this video more and more because actually it's a very useful video, especially in the summers. So please share this video. Without wasting much more time, here we are going to start our today's video. The first most essential fluid which is specially recommended in summer is the coconut water. Actually it's loaded with all essential vitamins, nutrients, minerals, which is very good for your baby's growth, development. It gives benefit to you and your baby. When your baby is having a problem of constipation or a loose motion, in that case doctor will recommend a coconut water. In both condition it benefits a lot to your baby. It helps in proper blood circulation, that means each and every body part will get a blood in proper quantity, so that you will feel energized because of that coconut water. So it's just like wonder to you and your kids, especially in the summers. But make sure you are preferring a green color of coconut because it is having a sweet water. If you are preferring that yellow color, that is having a some kind of sour or a bitter taste of that water, so try to prefer the green color of coconut to you and your family or to your kid. One more thing, make sure if you are taking that coconut and if that coconut is already cutted, means water is coming out from that, then that should be consumed within 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes that water is getting sour or a bitter in taste, so please consume if the water is coming out from that coconut within 10 minutes. If you had taken that coconut and water is not coming out but still you had a peel off its layer, then make sure that within 1 to 2 hours you are using that coconut, because especially in the summer, because of heat, because of increasing temperature, the inside water of that will get bitter taste, a sour taste. These are the most two important point while we are taking the coconut water, especially in the summer, we kept in our mind. So coconut water is very good for your health, especially in the summer. Then the second most essential fluid in summer is the lemon water. I just love it. Lemon itself is having different kind of benefit, but make sure while you are giving lemon, your baby is 1 plus. For the babies from 6 months to 1 year, lemon is not recommended because it's sour in taste and babies just started the new thing. They are just coming on, they are solid, they are just taking water after 6 months. So especially I will recommend to not give lemon to your baby at least for the 1 year. After 1 year easily you can give lemon to your baby. Lemon, it's a very rich source of vitamin C. Actually it's very good for your skin. It helps in glowing skin, it helps in digestion. Those people who are very health conscious, they take the lemon water, that is a lemon in the warm water in early morning. That will help in digestion, that will give their tummy a kind of smoothness, that means their stomach is totally clean. So to your baby that benefit is also applicable, but make sure your baby is 1 plus. So lemon water is just like a wonder. You can obviously include in your baby's daily diet and in your diet also, especially in the summers. Then the third most important is, actually I just love it, is a buttermilk. It's a combination of curd and water. It is very rich source of vitamin D and calcium. Calcium is very good for your baby's bone development, for their bone strength. So buttermilk should be included in your baby's daily diet. Buttermilk just help in proper digestion. What happens especially in the summers, we lost water from our body in the form of sweat because of temperature condition, because of excess heat in the weather. It happens. Our kids are also having summer vacation, so just they are busy in their playing activity, they are just busy in their any kind of activity, so they also sweat a lot, and because of that electrolyte balance may get disturbed. But this buttermilk helps in maintaining that electrolyte balance, sufficient quantity of electrolyte in our body, in our kids body. So buttermilk must be included for at least once in a day is sufficient. What you can do, you just can add a little bit of black salt or pudina in that, or any kind of buttermilk masala is also available in market, so it tastes very good, and it really helps for proper digestion of your baby's body, for your kids body, and also it helps in maintaining the hydration level properly in your kids, especially in the summers. And one more advantage of buttermilk is it's actually made up of curd and water. Curd itself contains a probiotic. Probiotics means that helps in killing the germs which are present in the intestine. Actually, it works very good on your kid system, so buttermilk must be included. In case your kid is not liking the buttermilk, then what you can do, you just give a curd in a bowl to your kid, adding some sugar or some jaggery to it. It just tastes good. You can also offer to your kid that Raghav just love the curd. In summer, what I do, I just give him a curd in a little bit of bowl, and just he eat it. So in any form, a curd or a buttermilk that must be included your baby's diet. Actually, it's very good for his health, especially in the summers. Then the fourth is actually it tastes very good. It's a seasonal fruit. It's a watermelon juice. It is very rich source of vitamin C and vitamin A. It increases the immunity. It's very good for our heart, so that must be included in our diet. It's very good for your baby. Actually, watermelon is just 80 to 90% of water containing fruit, so it actually helps in maintaining a balance of hydration level in our baby's body, in our body. So watermelon is a very good source of all these fibers. It helps in digestion. It tastes good to your baby, especially in the summer, so that must be included in your favorite drink in summers. Then the fifth is kids just love it, is the orange juice, and the sixth is sweet lemon juice. Both these are taste very good because they are having a combination of sweetness and the sourness in it. Kids just love this mixed kind of taste. If your kid is not liking the orange juice, in that case you can just offer a slices of the orange, because the orange pulp is very good. It's very rich in vitamin C. It helps in absorption of the iron. It's very rich in fiber content. It's very juicy, so that it helps in proper maintaining the hydration. Proper electrolyte balance is maintained with the help of orange and a sweet lemon. So in both cases you can offer a juice to your baby, or if your baby is taking fruit as it, you can give it in a form of fruit. These are like a very essential fruit, so that must be included in your baby's daily diet, especially in the summers. Actually, that benefit to you, your family members. So in all, you can just include in your daily diet for your family also. These are the most 5 essential, or the most 5 loved juices which I just love and Raghav love, especially in the summer. But if your kid is not liking it, but make sure your kid is taking one of the fruit. But still, if he or she is not liking, then you can add any seasonal fruit juice like pineapple, pomegranate, mangoes, especially in the summer. Try to maintain your baby hydrate properly in the summer. Try to maintain his electrolyte balance properly, so that his digestion level will be maintained. He is having a smooth stomach, and because of that your baby will have a very happy baby, a very comfortable baby. Pomegranate juice is having a red color of juice, so it is very rich in iron. That must be included in any form. If your baby just love the pomegranate as it is, then you can offer it. But if your baby is not taking, because they are having a kind of seeds in it, so in that case you can offer a juice. So make sure in summers or in all season you are giving all seasonal fruits to your baby, because seasonal fruits increase in helping the immune system of your kids. Mango juice is a very good option. You can make a mango smoothie or a mango shake. or a apple juice, apple smoothie, apple juice, in any form, your baby must take the fiber content, your baby must be hydrated. This is the underline that your baby should be hydrated, especially in the summer. So all these fruits are very good for your baby, for you in the summer, in all season. So these are the different kind of fruits or juices you can also include in your baby's daily diet. It's depend on totally on you, on your kid, what he is loving. You can offer that fruit, especially in the juice form, that will maintain the hydration level properly, because in the juice form you are giving water along with that. So this is all about the juices which are very special in the summer. Now we can see that when we can give these juices to our baby. Make sure you are giving the juices especially in the morning time, like that, before 5 or 6 in the evening. What happened if you are giving a fluid or juices to your baby after 6 or 7? In that case, what happened, just your baby is doing pee a lot. If your baby is wearing a diaper, then in that case there might be a chances of that diaper getting full and his or her pee getting out, and because of that there might be a chances of his or her sleep at the night will get disturbed, and because of that your baby will awake. Then the second thing is, if your baby is not wearing a diaper, but because of excess fluid intake at the evening or at the night time, he or she also having a pee problem, and because of that he or she will awake, and ultimately that will disturb her or his sleep at the night. So make sure you are giving your baby all these fluids, all these juices in the morning time, or up to the 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening. So that will be comfortable to your baby and to you. First thing is, make sure the orange, sweet lemon and the lemon you are not giving your baby if he or she is under the 1 year. After 1 year you can surely give this, because this fruit might causes the acidity problem. This is recommended by my pediatrician to the Raghav. I just asked whether I can give orange to Raghav, but at that time he was below the 1 year, so doctor recommended me that do not give orange, sweet lemon and the lemon to your baby up to the 1 year. After 1 year you can obviously give that to your baby. Then the question regarding how we can give it, depending on your baby's age, depending on your baby's comfortability. If your baby is having a grip, or he or she can hold the sipper, then obviously you can give the juices to your baby in the sipper. There are different kind of sipper depending on the age. I will give the link of the different kind of sippers in the description box. Please check that box. And if your baby is 1 plus, he or she is comfortable in taking the water in a cup or in a glass, then obviously you can offer it in a glass or in a cup. It's totally depend on you and your baby in what container he or she is comfortable. In that container you can obviously give the all juices. So this is all about the summer essential drinks which is included in your baby's daily diet, how we can give it, when we can give it. I hope you like the video, you watch the video till the end, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button for me. And don't forget to follow us on the Twitter and the Instagram and the Facebook. These are the links given above, so please follow us on that also, because Mom on Board is uploading a different kind of things, different pictures, videos of the Raghav. And make sure while you are uploading your baby's activities, your baby's peak video, please tag Mom on Board, so that will also help us to see your baby's growth, your baby's activity. This is all about today's video. We will meet in my next video very soon. Till then, please take good care of yourself, and please till then be on board and be in touch.